Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by accepting the fundamental limit. You cannot conjure matter from nothing. You convert energy into particles. First, confirm you have the energy budget and equipment: a particle accelerator or ultra-intense photon beam, vacuum chamber, detectors, and cryogenic traps. Once the beamline and shielding are operational, align targets and calibrate timing systems. Make sure detectors are live and data acquisition is recording. This first push creates conditions where particle-antiparticle pairs can appear from concentrated energy. You now execute controlled high-energy interactions to produce real particles. Ramp energy to just above the mass threshold for the species you want, then trigger collisions or focused photon interactions. Once created, particles are fleeting. Use magnetic fields and staged deceleration to guide them into traps or cooling regions. Monitor in real time and adjust field gradients to maximize capture. Make sure background noise is subtracted via coincidence timing and tracking, because signal clarity determines whether you can accumulate usable matter. To finish, convert captured particles into stable matter by recombining oppositely charged species and cooling them into bound states. You guide ions into controlled environments where electrons can be added or bound, then neutralize and form atoms or simple molecules. Once assembled, transfer them into long-term traps or material matrices. If production is inefficient, check 4 variables: input energy, beam focus, trap field configurations, and detector thresholds. Adjust each iteratively. Small changes often yield large improvements in capture and assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.